Hi guys, it's Runa Dume. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I was just out and about here and just walking around outside, and I was just thinking of how, I was just wanted to clear my mind and thinking of what I want to do for the upcoming week, since today it's Sunday. And I was just, walking around, clearing my mind, and start thinking, what keeps you motivated? What keeps you motivated to keep on going, right? What is that reason that keeps you pushing even when you're facing any challenges? What keeps you going? And I started thinking of it, and as I was thinking about it, I was like, sometimes we all face some challenges where you'll be like doubting yourself. Maybe you're not seeing the progress that you wanted to see happening in your business, and you start doubting that's right. But how do you push past all those things and keep on going? So this is when it's really important to start thinking of your why. Why did you start that business? Why are you doing what you're doing, right? What keeps you going? So without that why, it makes it really easy for you to just give up the first time you see any challenge, right? Because you're forgetting the reason why you're in business. So you have to keep reminding yourself. You have to keep reminding yourself of why you are in this business, so that you can keep pushing forward, so that you can get the result that you want, right? You can't get your result if you quit right away. You won't get the results that you want because you've quit. You have to keep on going. Even when you're finding that things are very slow, you're finding your sales are really slow, sometimes it's something that you just have to sit down and evaluate what's going on in your business. Is there something that you need to change? Do you need to change the angle that you are promoting your business or presenting your products or positioning your products, right? Are the people who are interested in your products and services? So you have to think of all those things, right? And start thinking, what can you do to bring more awareness to your products? So sometimes it's just a matter of not having that much awareness of who you are and what you have to offer, right? Not enough people know that you are available. Not that many people are aware that you have products and services that you're selling. So you need to find ways of bringing that more awareness. Do you need to run more advertisements? Do you need to do more Facebook ads or Instagram ads, or do you have to do influencer marketing? What is that strategy that you have to do for people to know that you exist, right? So you're probably not even talking about your business. So if you're not talking about your business, who knows that you're in business? So you have to bring that awareness of the products and services that you have. So sometimes you just have to take some time to evaluate what's going on. Take a break from what you're doing, because sometimes if you keep on obsessing about your business, you end up not seeing the big picture ahead, right? So you have to take that break and just evaluate where you are, see if you're on track or not, and then make those decisions based on the results that you're seeing, looking at your analytics and data to be able to make those decisions. And when you know what's working and what's not working, you'll be able then to stay motivated and keep on going with your business and growing it, right? Because you know what's working in your business. So you just have to stay motivated and keep on pushing forward. So yeah, I'm hoping for this coming up weeks and all the stuff you can still stay motivated, keep on working on your business, getting the results that you want, and not giving up. Because giving up is a sure way of your business to fail, because the only way you fail is for you to give up. So keep on pushing, guys, keep on going. And if you need any help, I'm always here. Just put a comment down below in the comments, or you can connect with me on Instagram. My handle there is limitlesscore1. Then we can connect and help you out, because I'm here to help you with your business, to build your brand. And the only way we can do that is for you to reach out, right? And we're here to help you with that, because we want you to build successful businesses. Well, I want you to build a successful business. So yeah, I hope this has helped you to stay motivated and keep on pushing with your business. Okay, even when you're facing those challenges, they're just challenges for the time being. Every business has challenges. As an entrepreneur, you have to solve problems, right? Find ways to solve those problems. Find ways, if not, to reach out to get people to help you with that and all the success to your business. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification button so that you don't miss any other videos where I share tips and tricks on how to build and market your business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building that business that you love. And I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.